in the street, they call it murder.
Morning, my peeps. TreadyJamDown. Remember, subscribe, share, ring the bell. Everybody. Alright, this man I'm going to show you like a small clippings of the longan fruit and the dragon fruit. This is the plant that the dragon fruit grow on. See if I can find one. This is how the baby one looks. So the baby one looks right there. Peeps, I think I have everything upside down. Okay, alright, this is a dragon fruit plant. It looks like a cactus. And this is how the fruit started. Like a little flowers here. See, that's how the fruit started. Look at the longans them on the tree, my peeps. Look at longans. Look at longans. All of these going to waste. Nobody eating them. South Florida, they waste all the food, all the fruits, the tomatoes and everything in the farm, everything go down to, well, they have a farm share thing that they share. You know what I mean, peeps? But if you look at the ground, they just fall and drop on the ground. Look at them on the ground. Florida, United States, they waste a lot of stuff. Lots of food, fruits, everything. This is a sweet Subtree right here. See if I can find one on it, you can see it. Okay, here's one. That's a sweet sap. That's a sweet sap tree. Here's another big one here, but look at it. Everything go to waste, kid. See it? This one ripe until it fall apart. Nobody eats it. See it? Beautiful fruit. Okay again, peeps. I'm going to show you another one now. Call this a June plum tree. June plum. Well, I have one or two. I think you saw this one already. That's a plum there. See them there? Everything go to waste in Florida. Everything. See all of those beautiful longans on the tree? All of that is going on the ground. Nobody want to sell them, nobody eat them. Plus this farm behind me here, they just cut down all those longans tree because they can't reach the top. So they try to keep them short. Okay, P. Now look at these now. These are what? Guava. These are guava trees right here. See all them bags on it? They put the bags on it because the insect eat the fruit. So if you look at these bags, they put onto it. I'm going to open one and show you what's inside. Beautiful guavas. If you don't put them in the bags, then the worm consume everything. So that's why you see they have all those bags on the trees. These here don't have no bags on it, as you can see. But this is a big farm, peeps. Well, it's big, but not as big, you know. It's one of the miniature farm, but it's still a big farm. Sweet sap them on the tree there. They just fall off. Lizard eat them pea. This man, a big lizard was inside. This one him was about 2 feet long. like a iguana. Scare me. Alright, we'll come right back again to the long gun. Long gun there. And this is the dragon. It's a dragon fruit plant here. It looks like a cactus. There's a little baby one trying to come out on this one. You can see. That's a little baby one. A lot of long guns on the trees. I know, look at the dragon. The dragon just ripe and nobody picks it and just fall out of the tree. Nobody. Another one down here, same thing. Just ripe and maybe the lizard eat them. And this is a Yuka tree, otherwise known as cassava. See how big this is, peeps? Look at the size of that Yuka tree. You dig down here in the root and you get big yuccas. I don't know if you know what yucca is, but the fruit is under the bottom of the plant, in the ground, under the ground. Yes, peeps. Lots of guavas around here. Lots of guavas. And they're expensive too, and they're not very cheap. They're not cheap at all, peeps. What else do I have here I can show you? This is just a farm that I came to cut some grass today, you know. And a little tractor up there. Cut the grass around the place and keep it clean. Make a few dollars. You know it go already. Need money to spend on my YouTube channel too, you know what I mean? So that's us. Look at long guns, peeps. Ooh, look up on the top of the trees up there. And all of this going to waste. Nobody take them, nobody sell them, nobody eat them. I take a few from my family sometime. Yeah? There's a little young dragon here again. See it? That's how the dragons start. Alright, this is how the dragon really started now. I'll show you how the dragon really started. It started like this. And then this comes out in a pretty white flowers. And then it comes down, this one here again start to change. And then it comes down to this now. This is the young dragon right here. See peeps? That's a young dragon that comes after these flowers. See what I'm saying? That grows on some similar cactus tree. Similar cactus tree peeps. Long gun all over, as far as your eye can see. It's long gun gone all the way up. Look on top of them trees, peeps. Look over there. Mercy, a lot of money, you know. $5 a pound. And there's thousands of dollars up there going to waste. See it? It's a family of the lychee. Family of the lychee peeps. Okay, peeps. Talk to you later. Catch you later, yeah? Have a good day and God bless you all. Okay, bye. That's right, P. want to show you this plant here. You know what type of plant is this? That you never guess. You see it? Look at it good. That's a castor oil tree. That's what make castor oil. This plant, see it start to blossom on top. You have them little seed balls that come out. That's where you get the castor oil from. That's the castor oil pods this coming out right here. In Florida we have lots of these, they just grow wild. You don't have to plant them. Everywhere you go you find them. All over.